businessman and investor. Uh, Today I share GST basic GST basic information. What I know, um, what I have GST knowledge. I have a small GST knowledge, and I am still GST is planning process now. So what I know, what I know, GST basic knowledge, I will share you. First of all, GST is a goods and goods and service tax. Uh, so many people doing so many people doing business only goods or services based business. If your business is goods based, you uh, you turnover and 40 lakhs up, you must registration in GST and got the GST number. But if you service based business, you turnover crossed 20 lakhs in one year, you must registration GST and you got the GST number. So many people said, so many so many auditor received this problem from clients. That problem is some person is said, sir, I am already sir, I am already registered GST, and I got the number, but I am not but I am not filed still date because my turnover not crossed for 40 lakhs. So I don't filing, uh, I don't filing, but no, I got the notice from GST office. uh, what I do, some people is asked, they are auditors, because rule is uh, 40 your goods based business, you cross to you cross to 40 lakhs above, you must registration in GST. Your service based business, you cross to 20 lakhs above, you must registration GST must. But in case you go to file in voluntary, you, uh, you got the GST number, you should filing every month in GST. This is must. Some person say to my some person is say to my turnover is not crossed 40 lakhs above. Why I do filing here? That is not a law. This law is you 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 are registered in GST. You got the GST number. After, you must filing in monthly, month and month. uh, i- i- if you are not filed in 2 months or 3 months, you receive to some notice, and you receive from uh, receive from call from GST office. Then 6 or then after 6 or 8 months, your GST number is blocked. After, if you um, after if you got that same GST number, you go to file with fine, all GST return you filed with fine and penalty and include interest. This all process you will done after you got same GST number. So this is a big problem. If in case you got the GST number in uh, your turnover 40 lakhs below below you doing the business, but you got the GST number, you must doing monthly and monthly GST return. Everything is must. Uh, that another point is GST is separated to four categories. Three categories is main. One category is IGST. Second category is CGST. Third category is uh, sorry, first category is SGST, second category is CGST, third category is IGST, fourth category is UTGST. UTGST is come is very rarely, and whichever union pradesh that place applicable but applicable is UTC UTCGSC. We see after this information. First is see SGST. What is the SGST? SGST mean have a meaning is also is named SGST. State Goods and Service Tax. State Goods and Service Tax. If you product in sale in intrastate mean you live in Chennai and you business doing also in Chennai. I think uh, you purchase transaction and sales transaction doing with same place. This process called to but intrastate. Intrastate means uh, uh, you got the one product in amount terms of 1,000 rupees in yeah, in 18% in GST, and this process this tax in separate to two government. One government is state government, but another government is central government. State government intake 9%, and central government take is 9%. This is called to CGST but SGST. If you transition into this state to another state, because you transition to Chennai to Mumbai at the time. But at the situation come to IGST. IGST to interstates supply. Interstates supply means I am already saying to same not this same state. Uh, this translation doing to different state. But example, Chennai to Bangalore, Bangalore to Delhi. This kind of different state in this translation called to IGST tax income. Uh, last and is last and is come to UTCGST. UTCGST means um, some union territories uh, have in but Indian country. But exam is Andaman, but Andaman and Nicobar thieves and Satisgare, Daman Dayu, this kind of but union pay basis. Uh, there is doing a transaction in business. there is applicable is UTCGST applicable. UTCGS mean separately in uniquely uh, whichever doing union pages, there is all applicable is UTCGST. I IT's IGST and UTCGST in same method, but between have a different is IGST is doing to state interstate. Uh, UTCGST is based union pages, state to union pages, state to union pages that is doing on business transaction when apply this but ITGST, but to union pages is not applicable to this method of ITGST. One is Pondicherry, but another is Delhi. This is two also is uh, this state is also in union pages, but not applicable these two method. Why? Because these are two union pages is big uh, this two union pages is big union pages. But I said big is meaning is uh, uh, there is lot of transaction doing there, uh, uh, included UCL one state UCL as transaction doing that. So thus, Delhi and Puducherry is like doing STST as CGST. Uh, if in case have a transaction is interstate, I IGG IGCGST in applicable, but some unique but economic zone state have that name is I don't know. No, I don't know. In the futurely I know. But I mentioned this. This particular state, that particular state in then particular state law is mentioned is 10 lakhs above in goods or and services, whichever business, that is not problem. That particular state is 10 lakhs, uh, 10 lakhs crossed 1 year. That particular state must applicable to you take in GST return. That particular state, particular state. After we seeing this, GST is still first of all introduced in year 2000 year in Vajpayee government. First introduced into GST in 2000. After doing so many process and so many things doing after completed this law 2017, but introducing it and this but Indian country, but uh, but Indian country. That another but another mention is GST not only practice to but Indian country only. This GST practice to so many country, but example France and Canada and so many country this practice doing that. Uh, uh, so many countries doing that, but Indian GST is a very different. Indian GST is a process and practice to two type of based GST. One CGST, but another test GST. Because Indian government is a two based government. One state government, but another is but another is a as a central government. So two based government is doing so that kind of GST must applicable there. And Canada also this same process doing that. They are also doing a two type of GST. That same procedure, not a same not a same procedure, and some like of little bit some like yeah, Indian GST and Canadian GST is same. Okay, thank you. We will see tomorrow next video. Thank you.